Finding intercepts. We are given three examples. The first one represents equation of a straight line. The second one represents equation of a parabola. And the third one is the equation for a circle. So we'll see where we have the x-intercepts and y-intercepts. The process will be very simple. If you are looking for x-intercepts, you plug y equals 0. When you are looking for y-intercept, you plug x equals 0. So we'll do this for these three examples. So first of all, we are interested to find y-intercept or intercepts. So the first equation, y equals 3x minus 6, when you write x equals 0, so we get y equals 3 times 0 minus 6, so we get y equals negative 6. So if you write as ordered pair, then your point will be 0, negative 6 for the first one. Now for the second one, we have y equals x squared, so replace x by 0, you get 0 squared minus 5 times 0 plus 6. So you get y equals 6. So as a point, then it will be 0, 6. Third one, we are writing x is 0 in the third equation. So we get 0 squared plus y squared equals 16. So then if you solve for y, you get y equals plus or minus square root of 16, which is plus or minus 4. Now the points you are getting will be 0, negative 4. This is one. And the other one is 0, 4. So we are done for y-intercept. Now we'll go for x-intercepts. So for x-intercepts, we need to write y equals 0 in the equation. So you write 0 equals 3x minus 6 and solve for x. So you see clearly that your x is 2. So then x-intercept will be 2, 0 for the first one. For the second one, we write y equals 0. So you get 0 equals x squared minus 5x plus 6. Now you need to factor because it is quadratic. So you have 0 equals, this is a trinomial, is easy way you can factor, will be x minus 3 times x minus 2. So then you get, with the 0 property, x equals 3 and x equals 2. So as order pair, your intercepts are 3, 0 and 2, 0. So we write 3, 0, this is one point, 2, 0, another point. So this is the second one. Now we are moving to third one. So third one, you are writing y equals 0. So you get x squared plus 0 equals 16. So then you get x equals plus or minus 4. So the intercepts are negative 4, 0 and 4, 0. So we are done with all of this. Now I want to show you in the graphing calculator how do we identify the intercepts. So go in the equation, type your function. So the first one, you have 3x minus 6 right here, and graph your function with normal window. You can go to zoom 6 for the standard. So now my intercepts are here. So when I write x equals 0, you can just go to trace, x equals 0, y equals negative 6. So you have seen y-intercept for the first one. Now you're looking for x-intercept. We have found x equals 2. So if you plug 2, you'll see y equals 0. Yeah, so these are the intercepts. Now you go to the second one. So we have the second equation or function, x squared minus 5x plus 6. Graph this. Now you can see this is your y-intercept when you write x equals 0 in the trace, x equals 0, y equals 6. So you have got y-intercept for this one. Now how you are looking for x-intercept? So you have got x equals 2 gives me a 0, x equals 3 also gives me a 0. But if you do not know, if you want to find from this, you go to second trace. 0 will be at 2. So we can keep our pointer in the left side of the first 0. Hit enter. Then move it to the right side. Hit enter. One more time. You can see x equals 0, x equals 2 and y equals 0. That is your first Xintercept.